Hey everyone, Corey, Next Day Stamps and Engraving, coming to you with a little update. If you looked at our last video, there were a couple things where customers had some questions of improvements, and one of them that we were in the middle of was one customer had a question about how do I mount your plate to our vehicle? Well, we finally came up with a solution after a little bit of time, and it's called an ATV UTV license plate NDS mounting kit. Now, we tried to get a little bit of a longer name, but we failed. Just kidding. Anyway, the NDS mounting kit is a mounting kit for round tubular horizontal bars. If you have square bars, it might possibly work for that too, because there's 4 corners that can clamp down. But anyway, I'm just going to show you real quick this mounting system. The mounting system comes with 2 actual mounts that go together with a washer, locking washer, and a hex screw. And then you have inserts. Now the inserts are good for 4 different tube sizes: 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 1 3/4, and 2 inch. So what you would do is you would insert whatever bar you have, you would insert the rubber insert in there, and then that would clamp down to your bar. I don't have them in there perfectly, but you can kind of see the gist of it. It's a rubber cushion, and then, like I said, the hex screw and locking washer clamp down on it real tight. You can move it in different positions if you have to get a certain angle for your plate. A lot of great advantages to this. So I actually have one put together already. You can kind of see here. There's the hex screws with the locking washers. You have a flat part where your plate's going to lay against. You also have some non-vibration tape, 2-way stick tape. Put it on there, cut it to fit. Then what you're going to do is, once your tape is on there, and you got your plate that you got from Next Day Stamps and Engraving, thank you very much. And anyway, you're going to put your plate on there. Don't peel and stick the tape just yet. All right, your tape will be on there. And then don't be afraid to, along with the kit, you're going to get some screws and some locking washers also. You're going to pop those in. Those are going to come through. I'm just flipping this around here. Just going to put that on there. I'm just going to put it on there loose for you guys to, just so, you know, to show you. So, but this is probably the best way to mount your plate. I know everyone's been mounting their plates with zip strips and C-clamps with rubber inserts also from the hardware stores. The majority of you also have plate holders with holes in them. That's great, you know. And again, you can order your plates with or without holes. So there you go. I generically threw it on there, but when you tighten it down, she's tight. You can see from the side, you have almost more than 3/4 of the plate sitting on there. So it's on there. I told you not to peel and stick your tape on there. Reason being is, get your bolts started. Once you get your bolts started, then take the other piece of tape, because you got it's a 2-way heavy-duty stick tape. Peel it off, push it down. Once you have it where you want it, push it down, secure it, then go ahead and crank your bolts down. You're done. It's simple as that. It gives you a lot of versatile options. It's really the best way to mount your plate. So again, you get 2 clamps. You get 4 sets of inserts, which is good for, I'll say it again, 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 1 3/4, or 2 inch. You know, round horizontal tube bar. Again, if you got square tubes, it might work. Along with that kit, you're going to get an Allen wrench kit. Allen wrench kit with your hex screws and locking washers for your mounts. And then also, you're going to get your heavy-duty 2-way stick cushion tape, anti-vibration tape. This way your plate's not going to rattle on there. It's on there safe, secure, and strong. So just wanted to come to you, talk to you about this. we finally have a solution, and it's a great solution. It really is. So you can go on the website. It is now on the website. So when you order a plate, order a kit at the same time. All right. Then right in the mail, you're gonna get your plate. You're gonna get your kit. That's it. Hey, that worked out pretty good. You get your plate and your kit. That's it. Wow, I should do more of these cheesy YouTube videos. I'm rhyming, I don't even know it. So anyway, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Check it out. Check it out online. When you order your plate, you'll see it. It's the NDS mounting kit. And then add it to your order. If you have any other questions, concerns, give me a holler. But again, I want to take the time to say thank you. If you're going to mount your plate, do it the best way possible. Made out of these, by the way, this is heavy-duty, lightweight aircraft aluminum parts. So they're strong. And once it clamps down, it's incredibly strong. So I just want to let you know that. Let me go ahead and apologize. Sorry you had to struggle through another one of my videos. But we did have another great update. It came kind of quick here right after that last video we made. But I'm going to put it on there. Take the time to watch it. Take the time to share it. Subscribe. Whatever you want to do, I appreciate it. But more importantly, thanks for riding down the road with our plates. We appreciate you. Thank you, guys.